In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this passion twist look. If you're interested, continue watching. For this video, I used the Freetress braiding here in the style Water Wave and it was 22 inches. Some shine and jam, a crochet needle, some rubber bands, a tail comb, and the edge brush. Starting off with freshly washed and moisturized hair, you know the drill for me. I'm going to part my hair off camera. Okay, so after removing my bantu knot, I am going to comb through my hair with a white tooth comb. Then I'm going to apply some shine and jam all around the perimeters of the parting. After that, I'm combing around the perimeters of the parting to ensure that it is sleek as possible. Now I'm going to add the rubber band. Also, I placed all my rubber bands into some coconut oil simply because I wanted them to be moisturized, so whenever I'm going to remove this style from my hair, it does not cause any breakage. When applying the rubber bands, you don't want to do it too tight. You want to do it just so it is secured enough for your crochet method. Next, I'm going to be adding some CANTU treatment. Now for the juicy part, I'm going to place the crochet needle vertically under the rubber band. Also, I'm going to ensure that the hook is facing outwards. Now I'm going to take 2 strands of the water wave here and align them evenly with each other. After doing so, in the center of the hair, I'm going to twist it a bit to ensure that it is dense enough so I can put it in the crochet needle to pull it under the rubber band. When crocheting, you want to ensure that your hand that is available is fixed on one end of the hair while the crochet needle is fixed on the other. Then you're just going to put the needle down and use your hand to pull the rest of the hair through. As you can see, the hair tends to get tangled. I suggest that you be gentle and take your time with it and you'll be good. Also, as soon as the hair is through, what you want to do is align them with each other to ensure that they're even in length. Right after that, what you want to do is separate your real hair into 2 sections, placing each sections over the weave. Then you're going to start twisting the hair as how you would twist regular. What I do though when I'm twisting is I spin the hair so it makes the twist as tight and secured as possible with my 4C hair. With the twist looking like this. If you did not get that, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys again. Again, the first step, I do is to remove my bantu knot, then comb my hair through. Next, I apply some shine and jam all around the perimeters of the parting. Then I comb around the perimeters of the parting to ensure that it is as sleek as possible. Right after that, I apply my rubber band, not too tight, just secure enough for the crochet method. Next, I'm going to be adding some CANTU treatment. Now I'm going to place the crochet needle vertically under the rubber band, also ensuring that the hook is facing outwards. Next, I'm going to get 2 strands of the hair and I'm going to align them evenly together. Then in the middle, I'm going to twist it to make sure it is as dense as possible so I can apply it in the crochet needle and pull it under the rubber band. Also, when pulling through the hair, you want to ensure that your hand that is available, it is fixed with one end of the weave while the crochet needle is fixed with the other end of the weave. After pulling the hair through, you want to ensure that both sides are even in length. Then what you want to do is add a bit of the shine and jam to your section of the hair that is left out. Then you're going to separate it into 2 sections, one for each side of the weave. Then you're going to begin twisting. While twisting, I suggest that you spin the hair to make the twist as tight and secured as possible. With the twist looking like this. Also, if you did not get that, I will be demonstrating once more. Starting off, I'm going to remove my bantu knot and comb my hair through. Next, I'm going to add some shine and jam all around the perimeters of the parting. After that, I'm going to be using the edge brush to brush around the perimeters of the parting to ensure that it is as sleek as possible. Then I am going to apply the rubber band. In applying the rubber band, I am not going to do it tight. I'm going to do it just so it is secured enough for my crochet method. Right after, I'm going to apply some CANTU treatment. Now for crocheting, I'm going to place the crochet needle vertically under the rubber band with the hook facing outwards. Then I'm going to get 2 strands of the weave and align them evenly together. Also in the middle of the weave, I'm going to twist it to ensure that it is as dense as possible so I can add it to the crochet needle to pull it under the rubber band. When crocheting the hair through, you want to ensure that the hand that is available is holding on to one end of the weave while the crochet needle is pulling onto the other end of the weave. Putting the crochet needle down, you're going to use your other hand to pull the rest of the hair that the crochet needle was already pulling through. After pulling the hair through, you want to ensure that each side is even in length. Then you're going to add a bit of the shine and jam to the section of your hair that is left out. Then you're going to separate that section into 2, one for each side of the weave. Then you're going to start twisting as how you would twist regular. Also, for me, because I have 4C hair, when I'm twisting, what I like to do is spin the hair while I twist to make it as tight and secured as possible. With the results looking like this, I was pleased with the 3 twists that I've done so far, so you know the drill. I am going to do the rest of my hair off camera. Back with the final results looking like this. I am not going to lie, you see me flexing there. I did not like the look. Honestly, I'm not going to lie, because I feel like I should have parted my hair into smaller sections to make it more thick and full. But nevertheless, I'm going to have to wear it because those hair were not free, honey. Also, I spent time and energy into combing my hair, so it is going to have to work. But the good thing about this hairstyle is once I'm finished twisting the last hair in, I didn't have to do the extras like hot watering or trimming anything. I just went in with the shine and jam to fix my edges. Then I applied some mousse to tame any flyaways. Then I added some oil sheen. Yes, sis. Yes, auntie. That is it for the hairstyle. Sweetie, we are almost at the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so. Also, like this video and leave some positive feedbacks. Remember to follow your girl on all her socials at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. If that is too much for you, honey, you just need to click the links down below in my description box and they'll take you straight to my social media pages. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.